What is going on, guys? Kevin Cage here with another cryptocurrency update and wanted to take a few minutes to highlight Casper Labs in this video. It's absolutely taking off on the 4-hour price chart. So Casper, CSPR is the ticker. I know we highlighted this just a few days ago right here on November 11th. 3.0 all along, and you've heard what Vitalik has said years ago about Casper. I think you'd be bullish on it too. We're just in a giant accumulation phase. This is going to be one of my long-term holds. So just remember, I'm talking about Casper when it is doing nothing but just stuck in accumulation, almost coiling up. And what do we say? The longer the base, the higher in space. It's all right, so that looks great. Cool thing to see on the 4-hour price chart, finally busting out of these levels of previous resistance. And I mean, you can see that we were having trouble really busting out of these levels for quite some time. So great to see that we finally did break through. And yeah, back tests are expected. I mean, obviously, anytime you do a 30-40% candle, or even on the weekly price chart, let's check this out. Anytime you're seeing a 30-40% candle right here on the week alone, let's see, yeah, like 45% wick to wick. It's not a bad idea to take a little profit. Turning on the 8 and 21 EMA, I believe that once we see this golden cross occur between the 8 and the 21 exponential moving average, look out. We can see the RSI is finally starting to wake up. Also sent this to King Solomon the other day. Let's see, so November 8th, right here. And I'm going to show you another really interesting chart. Not financial advice, but just another look I'm giving. So we got Casper, the 8 EMA curling, weekly and RSI about to turn up. So this was, let's see, so 1 week ago, November 8th, and we can see RSI right there when we were at like 12-13 cents. So getting a little push. I have much higher expectations of taking out this level in the future. And also just showed this in the Discord yesterday, waiting for Casper 821 EMA golden cross. On the weekly, we can see the RSI turning up right there at like 12-13 cents. And we finally got one of our Casper alerts to trigger. We also will have a members live stream tonight at 5 p.m. CST. We're going to be scoping out our next setups. But anyways, this is what I wanted to show you. Tell and Casper inverted chart, hashtag Hopium. I was sending this to King Solomon, one of my best friends in this entire space, and he has been telling people about Casper forever. So we have this inverted chart. This is Tell on the left-hand side and Casper on the right. Notice we have this crazy wick, a huge amount of distribution in accumulation, and really just watching it kind of bink through these levels of retracements and extensions. Would be absolutely crazy to see this actually come to fruition with Casper. Yes, this is speculation. I know we're at 10 cents at this level, but hey, if we keep climbing up week over week, I'm going to be watching this because damn, you can see these wicks as high as like $60, $70. On other exchanges, it shows $30. And even the candle bodies around $4 from 10 cents, that is a 40x your investments. So just wanted to share. Also, typical assets, tons of fractals, different setups, of course, but they do in fact rhyme between HBAR, Casper, ICP, a variety of assets, and really just looking at certain similarities. People told me HBAR and algo. I was in HBAR as low as 1 cent, but really just typically under 5 cents and buying it when it first launched. But they said, oh, HBAR has bad tokenomics, the distribution schedule is bad. Same thing with Algorand. I was in Algo at like 20 cents. That's my average because I kept flipping it as well. And that didn't stop me. And that's not going to stop me with Casper either. So of course I trade a portion of my portfolio, but I have my long-term holds of these assets locked away and untouched. I don't even try to beat the market with my long-term holds. So just wanted to share. And also let me split the screen. I think I should have Tell over here. Yep. So now, I just want you to look down at this RSI. As we can see, this RSI is just starting to pierce the purple. Back here for Tell, we had that RSI just starting to pierce, but the point being is what happens when it pierces up here? A massive bullish continuation. I mean, really passing previous levels of resistance and establishing and now creating it as newfound support. If you consider this to be a giant symmetrical triangle or another bull flag forming, look out because this is what I believe that Casper may in fact do in the future if you like this view of Casper being behind Telcoin. And please recall that Casper Labs is an individual layer 1 project that I believe will help Ethereum become the final version of itself. I don't think it replaces it. I think if you believe Ethereum in the next 5 years is going to be massive, still in the top 5 of all projects, imagine Casper Labs getting a slice of that pie, of that market capitalization. Can you imagine the prices we could see for Casper? Absolutely insane. So I encourage you guys to read the white paper, go through all of this and learn about it. Do not just watch my videos. So I just wanted to highlight this bullish continuation after the golden cross on the weekly macro time frame, in tandem with the RSI piercing here and here. So please keep your eye on this project. I know people, the second that an asset goes down 5-10%, they forget about fundamentals, they throw it out the window. And the only reason I've done as well as I do is because I keep conviction when nobody else does. And this works for me, may not work for you, so please decide for yourselves. And I think this is going to age very well, just posting when Casper was at 9 cents listed on Uphold, and we're still awaiting many more exchanges. So this was posted on September 30th on my Instagram. But other things to consider for Casper and its price is, of course, the diluted market cap. I know some people see this as a negative thing, of course, with the token releases that could have really kind of a flatline effect on price or kind of downward sell pressure. However, I'm extremely bullish on this asset long term. There's over $100 million in 24-hour volume, up 600% today. Market cap not even at $500 million. I believe this asset is designed to be a multi-billion-dollar market cap in the future. So high hopes for this asset. Please do your own research. Of course, you guys can learn more at Casper.network. You can find a variety of other resources. We have some of their tags, of course, some investors behind them. Highly recommend checking this out. Keep in mind, really just on Uphold, Gate.io, not a lot of exchanges, not even on KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you do, in fact, research Casper and dive in a bit deeper. And the way I handle assets, or investing for that matter, in the cryptocurrency market is, if I am not willing to hold an asset for 3 to 5 years, I do not buy it. And Casper is an asset that I am willing to hold for 3 to 5 years. Appreciate all that like and sub. Links are in the video description, and I'll catch you in the live stream tonight.